Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel. Today we will be going to see how you can create your first Google Sheet document, and this video will be a detailed walkthrough with like all the features of Google Sheets. I'm not going in depth. I will be just mentioning each and every uh, features in the Google Sheet. And yeah, let's get started then. So first, all you have to do is open a new tab and search for Sheets. And you can see here the first option, which is Google Sheets free online spreadsheets for personal use. You have to click there. Once you are here, you have to go on personal, go to Google Sheets, and you have to click it over here. So I have already made a video on Google Docs as well as for Google Forms. So if you have not already watched that video, go watch that video. It will help you to understand both of this Google product as well. So I will be giving a Google Form link over here, information tab over here, and I will be giving a Google Docs video tab also over here. So go watch that video. So all you have to do is go to Google Sheets. So once you are here, you can see that this is the actual dashboard of Google Sheets, same as any Google product, same as Google Forms, same as Google Docs. So you can select a blank one, you can use a to-do list, you can choose annual budget, and there are multiple template. You can see the whole template from here. Okay, so it's all your choice. So basically what I do is I will always go with the blank one. Okay, so let's get start and create a blank document, blank sheet. And you can see here that a new blank document is created. Sheet is same as Excel, Microsoft Excel. Okay, so if you do have experience working with Microsoft Excel sheet, then it will be a very easy for you, and there is nothing much different, like a 4-5 feature difference, and that's it. All other features are same. That position may vary, but all are same. The features all are same. So you can see that there are the always there are columns and rows as in every Excel sheets. So you can enter something like name, age, phone number, email ID, and that's it. You can make it bold. Okay, you can also increase the size. Where is that? Yeah, 10. I'm doing it 24 because this is the title, this is the header. Okay, so we will be doing a walkthrough from left to right. Okay, so here you can see that the undo, as usual, Control Z is the shortcut, so you can do the undo. This is a redo, Control Y as usual. This is for printing your document, Control P is the shortcut. Click it here, you can print it. Okay, the other one is paint format. I don't know what this is exactly. Okay, what are the features of this paint format, but whatever, this is the feature here. Okay, you can zoom the page, like it is now set to 100%. I will do it to 100%. Okay, so back to 100%, and this is the format as currency. Okay, so you can choose the format as currency as well, and there is a format as percent as well. You can decrease the decimal place, means you can increase or decrease the decimal point. Okay, so here this feature is for decreasing the decimal place, this is for increasing the decimal place. Okay, there are some more format: the automatic, plain text, number, percent, scientific, and accounting, financial, currency, currency rounded, date time, duration. More formats, more currency, more date, custom number formats. Okay, you can choose fonts. Okay, if you find a font within this list, great. If you don't find it, you can add more fonts. Okay, yeah. So I will be not selecting any font. I will be just uh, leave it as it is, which is Arial, which is default. So the font size which I selected is 24 because this is the header. You can do it bold, you can do it italic, you can do it strike through, you can add a color, maybe yellow or maybe something like this. You can also fill color of the cell. Okay, so I will be choosing yeah. So you can see this whole row was selected, that's why the color is on the whole row. Okay, you can also choose some particular cell like this and you can change the color. You can see it here. Yeah, so we are done with fill color. This is the border. If you want to do a border, you can do it that also. Yeah, so you can see that the border is drawn everywhere. Okay, so this is a merge cell. You can merge the cell like phone and email ID. If I merge it, merging cell will only preserve the top leftmost value merge anyway. Okay, so you can see the email ID is gone because we uh, confirm that we want to proceed. However, let's undo. Yeah, so just select to cell so that I can show you. You can also merge, or you can merge horizontally, you can merge vertically, you can also unmerge. Okay, it's depend on you on about your thinking and all what you exactly need. You can choose the alignment, left alignment, center alignment, or maybe right alignment. Okay, you can vertical align as well, mid, maybe to the top, maybe to the bottom. Okay, so I will select the mid. Okay, so text wrapping, you can also do text wrapping. Okay, you can overflow it, you can wrap it, and you can also clip it. Okay, the other feature is text rotation. You can rotate the text, so you can see how I rotated the text. Okay, you can do it any like anyway. However, I will keep it the way it was. You can insert a link, you can insert comment, you can insert chart, you can create a filter. When you get a lot of data, like very much data, you have to use filter. Okay, this is the function. You can use the function for creating these are the actually formulas. Okay, so you can use any of the formulas or you can create one for you. The right hand side is all about add-ons, so I will be not walking through this all because I already made a video on this, like not particularly on this, but I have covered this in the video of Google Docs. So if you have not watched that video, watch that video if you want to see about add-on and this explore tab. Okay, yeah, so we are done with the top bar, so let's get started with the file. Okay, we just forgot to enter the name of the sheet, so I will just enter testing. Okay, so this is the actual name of this document and the sheet. So let's go to Google file. and the same share, you can share it with anyone. You can create a new any Google product document, and you can open it directly from your drive, or you can upload it a file from offline and use it online. You can import, you can make a copy of it, you can email this file, you can download this file in this particular format. You can make this sheet available offline. You can see the version history, you can name this current version also. You can rename this file. So right now it is testing, so you can change it to some other thing. You can move it to a folder or maybe a particular place in your drive. You can add a shortcut to your drive. You can move this to trash. Okay, you can publish it to web. You can see the document detail, you can see the spreadsheet setting, you can print it. That's all with the file. Okay, so I'm not going very deep. Okay, if I started going very deep into each and every feature, the video will be very long. If you want to see each and everything like a very deep thing, so you can watch Google Docs. There I have almost gone through, like not very deep, but I already explained each and everything. So go watch that video, Google Docs. So same as undo, redo, cut, copy, paste special. You can paste values only, you can paste format only, paste all except borders, and you can, you can find and replace anything. You can delete values, you can delete row, or you can delete column. You can delete and shift up, delete cells and shift left, clear nodes. So now in the view tab you can freeze the row. For example, I want to freeze this row, so all I have to do is go to freeze and just one row and it will freeze. If you scroll down, you can see that it is the freeze row and it is not scrolling. Okay, this will be helpful when you have a like a bigger list. Okay, so I will just undo it. Yeah, so where it is, so you can freeze row, you can freeze column, you can freeze the custom according to your need. You can show grid lines, you can remove grid lines. Excel sheet without grid lines is very awkward, I believe. You can choose the product ranges, you can use the formula bar is already here. You can show formulas. Okay, you can zoom, as I told you, you can do it a full screen. Hidden sheet is not just a second. Okay, it is not displaying, or I don't know. Okay, so when you go to insert tab, you can see you can insert row above. Okay, you can insert row below, you can add column to right, you can add column to right, right and left. You can cells and shift down, you can cells and shift right. That's why I have chosen this, that's why it is showing. Just a second. You can see cells and shift down. When I do it, it will be shifted down, and when I do it right, it will be shifted right. Let's do undo. You can insert chart, you can insert image in cell, image over the cell, you can do it. You can add drawing, you can add form also here, you can add function, which is the formulas. You can insert link, you can add checkbox, you can add comment, you can add note, and you can also add a new sheet within a sheet. Okay, you can use theme, the format, under the format tab, so you can use theme of anything, or you can also customize it. However, I'm not choosing anything right now. You can choose the format of the number. Okay, automatic plain text or whatever. You can do bold, italic, underline, strike through. You can use choose font size. You can align. You can do text wrapping. You can do text rotation, conditional formatting, alternating colors. You can also clear the formatting. Like let's clear the formatting. Clear formatting. Okay, where it is here. So we have done with the format tab. Within data tab, you can sort the sheet by column D. Basically it's you can sort it in like a ascending order or maybe a descending order, like right from E to Z, alphabetical order, or you can do it right from Z to A. You can create a filter, you can see the view, you can use a slicer, data validation, you can do a data validation. Okay, you can use pivot table. This is a very important feature of Excel sheet or this Google sheet. Okay, you may use it now or maybe later, but this is very important thing. Okay, you can randomize range, you can name ranges, protect the sheet and ranges. Okay, cleanup suggestions, column stats, remove duplicates. Remove duplicates will help you to remove a single value which is entered more than once. Okay, in a single row or a single column, or according to your selection, maybe whole sheet. You can trim white space. Okay, for example, I want to trim the white space of this cell. No selected was okay, whatever. You can group it, you can group this whole row. Okay, you can ungroup it. Tools is you can create a form, Google form. App sheet, I don't know about what is app sheet, but it is showing that create an app, use sample app or whatever. I am not aware of this. You can do it as script editor also. You can add some coding also. Macros is also related to coding only. Okay, you can spell check, you can use personal dictionary. Enable autocomplete is enable. Notification rule, protect sheet, accessibility settings. Add-on is when you add something from here. Help is sheet help, training, update, help sheet improve, report abuse, privacy policy, terms of services. Function list, keyboard shortcuts. So you can see the function, each and every function. It is almost same as Microsoft Excel sheet, so not to worry about this. However, you can have a look. Okay, so we are done almost with each and everything. This is actually when someone comment, you will get a notification over here. Okay, and from here you can add a new sheet within this sheet only. Testing is the main sheet. Okay, so you can add sheet 1 2 3 and as much as you can. I don't know what is the limitation, but you can, and you can share it with anyone. I told you also you can share it, and you can choose that you want to share it with anyone with the link, or you want to share it with local group or group with the custom domain name. Okay, so it depend upon you. So yeah, that's pretty much everything about Google Sheets. So we are done with Google Forms, we are done with Google Docs, we are done with Google Sheets. In the next video we will be seeing Google Slides. So I hope now you can create your first Google Sheet, and I hope that you like this video. So make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment, and take care. Bye bye.